I want to ask you just what are your thoughts on the new phase? And honestly, bro, what would it take for you to come back to phase in a sense? Like you're always our phase, but like the fans want to see you completely involved, like
Yeah.
in the mix again. Like
It's a
we
very
want to
deep
see you
answer.
in the
I don't know.
mix.
I don't know what the future holds, but I would be more on the no side personally, but you never know. There is still a little bit of corporate holdup, but it's not against anything to do with the people in Faze. I actually really like them. I actually think everybody there is cool. I think everybody there is hungry, driven, motivated. I genuinely do. Like it's the most refreshing Faze has felt for me since I was like younger. There was no point in the middle where it ever felt refreshing. Even the
Refreshing.
Fortnite days, like the 2018-19, did not feel refreshing at all. It felt forced. This shit feels genuine for the first time. So it's good. If there was no corporate holdup, be a whole different convo. You know what I'm saying?